Here's a lovely refreshing drink using strawberries and matcha tea. Now matcha tea is a Japanese green tea. What I've done is just brewed it with a little hot water and given it a really good whisk. Now I want that foam because it's going to make this tea look so special at the end. First we need to get our strawberries crushed. So I'm using these lovely fresh strawberries. Look how plump and juicy they are. And what I like to do is just take the tops off each of these strawberries. And it's always a good idea to bring your strawberries out of the fridge at least an hour before serving them. So I'm going to add about 6 or 7 strawberries. We'll just cut them really roughly because I'm going to crush them in a bowl. So into a bowl. To that, I'm going to add just a little bit of maple syrup. You could also use some sugar for this. And then just with a heavy utensil like this one, we're going to crush this together to extract all those lovely strawberry juices. Okay, that strawberry mash is just delightful. It smells so good. And now I'm going to place a layer of this strawberry into a glass. Couple of spoonfuls. Look at that vibrant colour. Just love strawberries. Next, we're going to fill this with some ice. So a few ice cubes straight over it. And this is going to help balance our next ingredient, which is some milk. And in with the nut milk, I'm using some soy milk and just very gently pour that over the ice. And by doing it slowly and over the ice, you can see that it just floats on that gorgeous crushed strawberry. Perfect. Last thing we're going to add is the matcha tea, which is the Japanese green tea. So give that another last whisk and place that into a jug. Just pour that in. Look at all that foam, that's what we're trying to collect. And then we'll just very carefully pour that in, and that's going to mix with our soy milk, top it up, and that right there is such a refreshing tea. Iced tea, super popular. Why not try it like this with crushed strawberries?